Hello everybody, my name is Douglas Fancini and we will continue our course with the close-up book. So it is Unit 1, Class 2. My name is Teacher Douglas Fancini da Silva. If you want to receive this material, please email me on this email, dog.fancini@hotmail.com. So let's go there. I will read the exercises of the book for you. And if you want to receive this content, please email me. The present simple and present continuous. Read the sentences below, underline the examples of the present simple and the present continuous. This is exercise for reader practice because we will distinguish between these two tenses, the simple present and the present continuous. Let's go there. The Earth goes round the Sun in about 365 days. Number 2. Are you visiting your parents at Christmas? Number 3. A man goes to visit his friend and finds him playing chess with his cat. Number 4. The customer is shouting because she's angry. Number 5. My friend lives in the UK. Number 6. The meeting starts at 3 p.m. tomorrow. Number 7. The town I was born in is attracting more and more tourists these days. Number 8. The boy and girl in the photo are playing in the garden. Number 9. The man is forever trying to control everybody. Oh, sorry, that man is forever trying to control everybody. Let's continue with the exercise B. So I hope you understand this one. You will receive the material and underline the examples with the simple present and present continuous. Of course, it is the bold words that you can see here. Goes, visiting, goes, finds, shouting, leaves, starts, is attracting, are playing, forever trying, and things continue here. Exercise number B. Match the uses of the present simple and present continuous below with the example sentences in A. So you have to use letter A to answer letter B. Okay, let's continue. Letter A, general truths and scientific facts. For example, we use one of these two examples that you see on the screen, the present simple or the present continuous, to talk about general truths and scientific facts. For example, take a look at the goes round in about 100 days. This is a general truth and a scientific fact. So you are going to put here that it is simple present. Okay, in this, let's go with the letter B and I will not answer it anymore. Annoying habits with always, continually, forever. Okay, you have this tense and you have to take if it is present continuous or present simple. What do you think? Annoying habits with always, continually, forever. Try to create a sentence. He is always trying to control everybody. Can you understand this? He is always trying. Take a look at it. Is trying. What is the tense? What do you think? Okay, letter C. Actions happening now and temporary situations. Okay, actions happening now. Oh my God, happening now. This is a tip for you. Letter D. Habits, repeated actions, and permanent situations. Oh my God, this is easy. Future plans. Letter E. Future plans. I'm going to travel tomorrow. So, future plan. Okay, this letter F. Future actions based on timetable and schedule events. She flies to Japan on next Saturday, for example. Letter G, narratives. Example given is a story, a joke, a plot, and sports commentaries, for example. Changing and developing situations in the present. In letter I, what is happening in a picture? You look at a picture and you say, what's happening at that picture? For you to describe this picture, you have to use one of the two tenses. I repeat. Present simple or present continuous. What do you think? So let's continue here, people. Complete the sentences using the present simple or the present continuous of the verbs in brackets. Okay, these are the brackets. Brackets is this, okay? So the quiz on personality you're doing, and you understand if it sounds, if it is simple present, or if it is present continuous, you put is sounding. What do you think? Sounds or is sounding? I don't know. You have to choose between these two options, okay? Just a second. Oh my god, ignore this. It's very good. Number 2, he, and you have to choose take a short nap in the afternoons to reduce stress. What do you think? He is taking a short nap or he takes a short nap in the afternoons to reduce stress? Reduce stress. I don't know. You choose, okay? Number 3, he often not catch the 12 o'clock bus to the city. And number 4, the students seem tired at the moment. Number 5, my dad always forget my mom's birthday. It really annoys her. Very good. Let's continue, people. Okay, just click here and number 6. Colors influence our emotions. It is a question. We have the do colors influence our emotions? Or is colors, or sorry, are colors influencing our emotions? What do you think? It is the best way to write this sentence. Try and do your answers. Number 7, the number of people studying psychology, and you have to choose increase. Is increasing or increases? What do you think these days? Okay, number 8, this year I focus, you have to try the correct text, on my university studies. Okay, number 9, we not have, oh sorry, it is cut, but it is have a meeting with the school director next week. Number 10, I think James blah 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 behave calm even though he is at the moment. Okay, letter D is for you to circle the correct words. We are still talking about the difference between the present simple and the present continuous. Okay, the simple present and present continuous. What do you think it is best for this sentence? Is showing or shows? Let's go. According to many psychologists, your favorite color, what do you think? Shows something about your personality or is about something about your personality? Okay, you choose the correct option in this case. Look at what this color says about someone's character. Do you agree? Are you with the two? Okay. Black. He is talking about black and what it causes. Like this. Black people. No, sorry, black. People who blah 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 black want everything to be perfect all the time. Okay, you choose this or this. Like or are liking? Oh my god, are liking is that kind of weird. Number 4, have you or having with something. Then these are able to help you. They are also good at finding mistakes and they love puzzles. The text is about people like black, so let's continue. People that like blue. People who like blue are emotional. These people do usually not trust other people very much. They are calm and are expressing or don't express. What do you think? Yeah, are you needing or do you need a good friend to share your secrets? Then a person who likes you is best. They are also imaginative and like helpful. Very good. Green. People who like green are easygoing, understanding and friendly. They are often bring off, oh my god, they often bring off peace during arguments and on expenses. Red. Are you want to have go out? They are being and take people. Also good and taking risks. You have to choose. Do you wanting or are you choose? Okay. This is the listening activity. I will not play, but if you receive the email.fontini.com, I will send you. Here are a couple of pictures below. Look at the pictures and think the topic the comment will be about. So you have to look at the picture what the audio talking about. I will send the audios only for the person that sent me an email. Listen and check. Will they go? Okay, they are talking about some little things here, and you have to choose the correct answer and answer the following questions. Listen and check. Where will they go? Letter C, read the exam close-up, then read the exam task below. What do you think each conversation will be about? Listen and complete the exam task. Because you are going to listen to 8 short conversations for you to choose A, B, or C. Okay, you have the school, the college, the university, a girl singing, and I don't know what she's doing here, but it is kind of cute. I give you the answer, but I don't give you the audios. This is for the people who send me an email. Okay, so she is singing, and here is running. I think it is running. I don't know what she's doing here, but let's go with this. Continue. These are some walls colors, and we have a kind of yellow. I don't know if it is exactly yellow, green, and pink. And beautiful people here. Different places, different designs, and different of people in place in this building, and the correct answer for the activity in the audio. Okay, and the exam close-up it is prepare to listen. It is important to prepare before you listen in an exam. With multiple choice, whether you understand the different answer options and you have thought about the topic of the conversation. Underline or see words or details in the answer. Some prices in the exercise, and is going about this one. 500. Okay, 10. Notice this. This is one chore boy. You cannot even see the last one here, but it is here. Okay. Person 3. The question is about how many people man invited to his party. Okay, so we can listen to the audio and check that the answer is letter C in this case. Let's continue here. Number 7, you have some fractions here. You have a half, a quarter, and 0. It is about a girl that won in the lottery and decided to not to keep any of the money to her, and she decided to give everything to charity. So, very good person. This is about an old man that in the case it is his birthday, and he's not very happy about this situation. Not sick like this, and I don't know what about this one, but this is a kind of worried about he's getting old. Okay, so people, this is all for now. I hope you like the video. If you like it, comment, subscribe, give me suggestions. If you have any other idea, please let me know. My name is Douglas Fontini, and I see you all guys next time. Bye 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 bye.